Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Happy Match Cafe application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open your App Store. Now, go to the search box appearing at the top of the screen and type in Happy Match Cafe. In the search result, look for this application from King's Fortune Pte. Limited and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the application. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Happy Match Cafe is a casual puzzle game available on various app stores, where players can typically match colorful items or tiles to progress throughout the levels and build their own cafe. Now wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your device, and you will then be able to open the game and start enjoying. So that's how you easily download Happy Match Cafe application on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.